Hi, I'm Laurie Oberman, CEO of Talking Business, and I'd like to continue our discussion on how to track your favorite stocks and shares using Google Sheets and Google Finance. We reached the stage in a previous clip where we have managed to find the the ticker for Monday, a share which is connected to a high-tech company. We've taken the price, an opening date, a closing date, and we've asked for the date on a weekly basis, and we've been given this list. Let's see how we can take this further. First of all, I cover the data. Now I'd like to go here and show you that we can make this list into a rather useful graph. As you can see, by clicking the graph, we get to edit the chart in the same way we would do exactly the same on Excel. On each one of these items, we can restyle, re-edit, change, resize, whatever we need to do. I'm sure this is all very familiar to you. Now, once again, we are without the graph. We've deleted that, and we're back again with the data. Let's see what else we can do with it. If we go back in to the formula, it will tell us that if we scroll down, we can learn more, and this will happen on the right hand side, and we'll have a look and see what can be done. First of all, you will already recognize this formula with the ticker, the price, the opening date, the closing date, slightly different format, and daily, weekly, monthly reporting. Down here we have another interesting option where we have the ticker and the price, but we can also have today minus 30 until today. Once we've copy pasted that, we can also change the minus 30 to minus 45 to minus 60 to minus 180, however far back we want to check the price from then until now. It's a nice little tool. Moving on, the attribute, that is the price, or that price is one of the attributes. These are the attributes we can use for real-time data. Right now we're looking at historical. Real-time data means without opening and closing dates. So let me just take the dates out of this formula, and that will leave us with the ticker and the price. So that is the current trading price, and this is here. But I can also have the opening price when trading started this morning. So let's have a look. It says price open. So let's put in price open and see what we get. Nice, $3.96. That was the opening price today. If we go down, we can see we can check today's high. So let's put in high instead of price open. And the price reached a level of 404.79, so nearly $405 per share. Let's see how low it traded. So far it's gone down as far as, well, I forgot the quotation marks. Getting in a bit of a mess here. Quotation marks, low, brackets. 368. So it's been trading between $368 and $404. We can also compare today's trading volume by writing volume here, and we get 481,000 shares traded today compared to average volume. So let's put that in. Volume AVG, 408, nearly 409,000, just a little below the 418,000 we saw a few minutes ago. Further information we can extract: price to earnings ratio, earnings per share, the high over the last 52 weeks, the low over the last year, the beta. This is an interesting one. The percentage change. Let's take this. Again, we've got double quotation marks. And so today the share is down nearly 7%. Time to sell. So you see, we have quite a lot of analysis that we're able to do on today's trading, because it's the real-time data and we can change all these attributes. We can also put them in, by the way, simultaneously, down the side, across the top, and look at them all updating. By the way, there is a time lapse. It's here somewhere. I think it's 20 minutes. Notes. 20 minutes. So you can't use this for trading. You use this for information only. Quotes are not sourced from all markets and may be delayed up to 20 minutes. So never use this for trading, just for information. Now, historical data is something we've been looking at, and for those attributes we have open, closed, high, low, but instead of doing them one at a time and volume, let's put in all. So this time again we put in the attribute, but because it's historical we also need the dates. 1/1/2021, quotation marks, comma, I forgot the quotation marks at the beginning, (11/21/2021), quotation marks, comma, space, weekly, and I think that should give us absolutely everything that we need. How about that? The date, the opening price, the high price, the low price, the closing price, and today's volume since the 11th of June until current trading. We can now copy this from here across to, say, here, Control V, and again we have all the information we need. This time we will change it to Teva, a share called Teva, a global pharma company, and we get all of their information too. So I think I've given you plenty of ideas about the information you can get and manage your spreadsheets following your favorite shares or stocks or other investments using Google Sheets and Google Finance. I hope you found it useful. I'll be back again with another top tip soon. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I will be back soon with some more information. Goodbye for now.